Okay, Natalie. So we're gonna give you the Kardashian look, the Kim Kardashian look, because you got the same face shape, yeah?
We're gonna try.
Okay, so a lot of people won't believe this. You are 40.
Almost, yeah.
And you've got these beautiful high cheekbones. And you've also got 5 kids.
I have, yes, 5.
So raising kids must be easy then, because you.
No, it's not easy. I don't recommend it.
You're defying the odds. So when you go out, you already get accused of being your 21-year-old daughter's sister.
Friend. Yeah, or sister.
So now it's going to be even more trouble for her.
Yeah, she's now going to be down here next, I think, herself.
Yes. Right, so as we can see, like I was saying, Natalie's got these beautiful high cheekbones already. When I look at Natalie's face, let's go from the top to the bottom. You can see a cavity in the temporal fossa here. It's given a prominence of this superior orbital rim here. So we want to just make that more convex, and we're going to do an injection just into the forehead here, onto bone, to just give a more convexed look to the frontalis. We want that to be nice and smooth, as opposed to light and then shade and then light. And then we're going to rotate the cheek up. You don't need to put too much anterior projection of the cheek, because it's already lovely, nicely projected. So we're just trying to give a more lift. And then we're going to, if you just look up for me, we're going to address the tear trough, so the depression under the eyes. We're going to use a cannula for that. The nasolabial fold, and then go across to the jawline, pull this back, and give you a nice strong. You wanted the HD look.
Very sharp HD look.
Very sharp, so we're gonna go for that then. Yeah. Nice, beautiful masseter projection. And then one of the biggest areas is the jowling bit. This is where we can actually see a bit of Natalie's age. So the mandible shrinking, the mentalis, all of that is more degradation in the lower aspect of your face, as opposed to the upper. So we're going to rebuild the chin, labial mental crease, extend the chin. Today we're going to possibly do half. If you can handle more, we'll do the whole thing. And then with your nose, we can see beautiful little small nose. I think it's got a lot of potential. I think that it just has a little bit of a shadow and then a break point over here in the lateral cartilage. So we're going to straighten the nose, and then just give a beautiful, nice tip. So it'll be nicely lifted. And I think that's it, right? That's everything. That's a whole new face.
Whole shebang.
Yeah. What are you most excited about?
I think just taking off the tired look, and just, you know, with the chin, that was my most concern. But also understanding that we can't just go in here. We have to work on that, you know, that sort of stack as we spoke about. So yeah. Yeah. So we're using the golden ratio, the rule of thirds, so all the geometry or geometrics of beauty. I want a look where I want to look beautiful and confident without any makeup, without having to do over contouring, because I've already got that natural look there, and that's what I wanted to achieve.
Lovely. That's what we shall give you.
Thank you.
Or definitely try. Okay. Can see that already, just from 2 injection points, forehead and temple, we've already got a lift here of the eyes. It's nicely convex here. Beautiful. Are you ready? Can you see that for me? So I'll just do a quick little analysis. And we can see now the side that's been treated. The eye is just so much more smoother, cheek is beautifully lifted, hardly any nasolabial fold, and the temples and forehead. Okay, yeah, tough it up.
Here, just lovely and smooth compared to how it was here before, and not too much.
Yeah.
Shall I say?
You got nice high cheekbones anyway, but it's giving you that nice consistent projection there.
Yeah.
Because before it's a bit of a break point there.
Yeah. That's lovely.
Yeah. Awesome. And then I think we'll do this another time.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you feeling? Was it okay? First half?
Yeah, it wasn't very painful at all. I thought it was going to be painful, but I thought definitely breathing helps.
Ah, yeah, your breathing was amazing.
Yeah.
Awesome. So now we've just done the jawline. So if you look here, we can see there's a lack of demarcation. Got a bit more jowling here in front of the pre-jowl focus there. Whereas here, we rebuilt the labial mental crease. So press this, nice and solid. Over here, a lot more weaker. And then we've got this beautiful, gorgeous demarcation. Got a little bit of a bruise just under here. That'll probably get worse tomorrow, but once that goes, it'll be nice and smooth. Okay.
Absolutely amazing. There was just nothing there before at all. And to just create that from, as you can see, nothing, it's just amazing.
Yeah.
It just makes that huge difference.
Yeah, we'll keep on getting better as well. Obviously, like you got that little bruise there, so.
Here, you know, really, just looking at it now without posing or, you know, I'm a bit numb.
Yeah.
But you can just tell it's going to be striking when that goes down.
Awesome. Ah, you
Don't want to smile too much, I ruined it.
Nah, you ruined. Okay, so Natalie, I'm joking. Right, so today we're going to do my favourite thing that I wanted to do for you, which is
my nose.
The nose. So let's have a look. Nose has a lot of potential, but we've got, again, this light is so good, it doesn't show the shadows.
Okay.
Maybe hold up. We can see the little undulations here, how it deviates slightly from the lower lateral cartilage to the right here. But the nose has a lot of potential because it's nice and small. So we're just going to make it a lot more straighter and narrow the tip a little bit. Yeah. And then just do a few little chops. The rest of the face. So face is settling well. You said you had quite a lot of bruising then.
I had the 8-point lift, so I bruised really, really badly. And I think to anybody else who wasn't used to that kind of result from these kind of procedures, probably absolutely freaked out. Would have been blowing up your phone at 3 in the morning. It's like, what the hell do I look like? Yeah. But it is just a case of, I know that it has to settle, and each day you do notice a bit of a change, and it sort of gels with your face. At first, it doesn't look like it's as much of a part of you, but over time, especially the 4-week mark, it just looks like your body just takes it in and it just blends and sits where it's supposed to. So
integrates into the soft tissue, and that's what we're waiting for. So it's normally the 4 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, I'm a little bit off at the minute. I mean, I'm a couple of weeks off, but yeah, it's looking great.
Yeah, amazing. So what we want to do is just a little bit more of a touch up. This cheek has tucked to it really well. I just think a little bit more over here and just lift up the mid cheek a little bit into the lateral canthus of the eye, and we'll just have a look. Got a bit of bruising just in front of the masseter, so I think we're going to use a little cannula here because of the amount of bruising we had last time, and then over here as well. Use a cannula and just avoid that facial artery that runs across. We can see it, when we look there, then it kind of goes over here, and this is where we want to get to make it nice and straight. So we'll yeah, we'll get the cannula and we'll make that nice and straight, and then we'll do your nose after that.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, we are done. The nose, I think, looks so much more straighter, much better. Okay, come take a look.
I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that looks so much straighter.
Yep.
Wow. Yeah, that's so bad. All those little dips and those little ridges, because you were trying to literally get all those little...
Yeah, that was a lot of...
Yeah, thank you. And that dip in the front, the one that was right there, that's just now gone. Which is fab. You've got that
little tip.
Yeah.
Lovely. Let me show you the side projection.
Yeah, I used to hate that side look, but now it's just so much better. Wow. And it didn't hurt. I thought it was going to be the most sensitive place to inject, and I didn't feel that at all.
Awesome.
Yeah. Fabulous. Thank you very much, Steve.
You're welcome.